Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Sorry. Concealer to highlight my face. All the product I'm using will be, all the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm using another concealer to contour my nose. To snatch that nose, contour the nose. I'm contouring only the nose with the concealer. Then I'm using the beauty blender I use for my face to blend it so that there won't be any sharp lines. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my face, the whole of my face. Using a pressed powder to set my face. Set the foundation and the concealer, everything. Next, I'm using a bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. And also do a little bit of cheek contour. Contour the cheek a little. And my forehead. Next is brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows, to define the brows more. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes, for the eyes. Concealer as eyeshadow base for their eyes. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown shade for my crease as my transition color. Transition color for the crease. Brown for the crease. Next, I'm using a darker brown for my outer crease and blend it into the middle crease and the inner crease to darken it a little bit, to make it more deep and darkened. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow shade, kind of green, kind of turquoise color. No, I'm not good with names of color. For my eyelid, As I said before, all the product I'm using, all the names of the products I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. For my eyelid. Next, I'm blending the edges to make sure there are no sharp lines. Next, I'm using a high pencil for my waterline and a kajal for my lower lash line. I'm using the same brown eyeshadow I use on my crease to blend everything together. Next, I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. Line the eyes. Next is mascara. For the eyes. Next is lashes. Next, I'm blending the face using a powder puff to blend the face, to smoothen it, to blend everything together. Next is blush, to blush up the cheek, to give the cheek a little bit of color. Next is highlighter. To highlight the face. Highlight the face. Next, I'm using the same highlighter from my tear dot area to brighten up the eyes a little. Open up the eyes. Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. Then next is lips. I'm using this lip gloss. It's a lip gloss for my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy prosperous New Year. See you guys in my next video. Bye.